Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Vuyokazi actually posted this video from TikTok. This is obviously not Vuyokazi speaking. I think I must mention that because other people will be like, hey, this is not Vuyokazi. But I do believe that what this lady is saying on this video, Vuyokazi resonates with the video. I'm just going to play the video and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
And when the devil can't reach you, he will send a man that wants to be you. You heard me right. There are so many flavors of men out here who will hate your guts because you have something that they can't get or that they don't have. The scary part about it is they are so good at camouflaging their real feelings about you. That's why you got to be dialed into the nonverbal and verbal cues that somebody is jealous of you, particularly a man. Sometimes it's really blatant and sometimes it mimics like a nice nasty tone. Making sure that they clock how much money you make, how much money you have, and what you spend it on is a big one. And what's so dangerous about it is when a man envies you, he is going to pull out special stops to bring you down and to humble you royally. Be prepared to be put on a pedestal and slowly be brought back down to earth. Actually, be prepared to be brought into hell. Because the amount of subtle negging they're going to do on your looks, on your capabilities, on your talents, on your hobbies, on your friends, be afraid.
Now, guys, this girl's talking about, as you saw the caption on the video, something about when a man really hates you and all of those type of things. And I think eventually Vuyokazi has came to the realization that her fiance clearly was someone who envied her, you guys. From the voice notes that we've heard that have been leaked out, this low-key did sound like someone, you know, when umuntu, like, I don't know whether I want to say, but I guess envy is the right word. It's almost as if the fame that she had is maybe something that he had hoped that when he had married her or when he had association with her, that he'd get it. I mean, that's what some of the voice notes were actually insinuating. But you know, guys, this whole thing even made me think, because the girl on the video touches something about even money. Like, they want to know about how much you make, when ngemali yakho, and all of that. It just made me think, even this whole thing in our culture of how we talk about the moment a woman makes more money than a man, like it becomes an issue in a relationship. And I'm just like, that means that we are living in a society where a lot of men are actually envious of women. How some way men don't want their woman to go and work. They will choose abangani. Okay, abangani, guys, there's sometimes our partners are able to see abangani that are not good for us. But it shouldn't be to a point where a person is picking friends for you. They should be able to advise you, and at the end of the day, it is your choice. But I hope Ugeli has learned her lesson. You know what they were saying about Mihlali Ndamase, guys, that there was someone who was saying on Twitter that Ugel does not see how much of a big deal she is. I kind of feel like it was something like that with Vuyokazi. Maybe Vuyokazi knew that people loved her, but as time goes on, guys, you see with the eyeball, Ugeli, she is a big deal. So maybe Ugel, it was one of those things, because even this guy, I'm just like, yes, he did seem as if he's an okay guy. But from the onset, I'm like, the way things went quickly, and guys, I know that's people's decisions and all of that, but she could have done better, guys. Knowing who she is and all of those type of things, I feel like Ugel needs to understand, or maybe she has come to the realization that she is actually a big deal. Now, that's going to be an interesting thing to navigate in dating, guys, because abantu will literally date you for status, guys. But like aze, once they get the status. So, guys, dating stage is just one of the stage. You must be so selfish with yourself. Iminyaka, yes, but though these guys way they will nanga you for years and still do you wrong. But all I'm saying, that when you are still single, guys, are not married, in your head, you must always remember that you are the prize. Never settle for umuntu that is just like, a person must work hard. By the time they get you, they must say, "By yeah, dimsebenzele," like, I worked to be in this person's life. And I think it's about high time Vuyokazi realizes that she is a big deal, and the next time she gets into any type of romantic relationship, she must remember that. Cause bo. Anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.